Thinking about setting up your own business in the US, an LLC, or limited liability company, is often the perfect choice, offering flexibility, asset protection, and tax benefits that can help you hit the ground running. Whether you're just starting out or expanding your enterprise, understanding how to establish one matters. So, how does the process work? You've got options: handle it yourself or bring in the pros. Let's walk through both paths to help you decide. If you choose the do-it-yourself route, there are 6 key steps. 1. Select your state. Begin by forming your LLC in the state where you live or plan to operate. If you run a physical location in another state, you'll need to register as a foreign LLC there. Most entrepreneurs find it easiest to stick close to home for initial filings. 2. Pick a name. This part's fun, your chance to come up with something that captures your brand. Just make sure your chosen name isn't already taken by searching your state's business registry. Also, it should include limited liability company, or the abbreviations LLC or LLC, unless you plan to file a DBA for doing business under a different name. Check your state's specific rules on naming, especially around prohibited words like FBI or Treasury. 3. Choose a registered agent. This person or service handles legal notices and paperwork. Think of them as your legal contact point within the state. While technically you could be your own agent, hiring a professional service offers better privacy and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Plus, many providers waive their initial fee for the first year. 4. File your formation documents. Known as the Articles of Organization, these are filed with your state's business authority, often the Secretary of State. You can file online or by mail, usually paying around $100 in filing fees. Decide if your LLC will be managed by members or by designated managers. This impacts how your company is run. 5. Create an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, having this agreement is highly advisable. It details ownership, member roles, and decision-making processes. Use online templates or tools, like the free options from howtostartanllc.com, to draft a clear, customized plan. 6. Obtain an EIN. The employer identification number is like a social security number for your business. You'll use it to open bank accounts, hire employees, or handle taxes. It's free from the IRS and straightforward to get online. If you'd rather have professionals handle everything, that's perfectly fine. Many firms, including filingfox.com, can take care of your LLC formation, handle the paperwork, and even serve as your registered agent, often with package deals or discounts. This can save you time and reduce the chances of errors, especially helpful if you're not familiar with legal or tax details. In summary, whether you choose to do it yourself or bring in a service, your first step is to decide which route fits you best. For hands-on entrepreneurs, following these steps with the right resources can be manageable. For those who prefer a smoother ride, professional help from filingfox.com ensures your LLC gets off on the right foot, legitimately and efficiently. If you need guidance through the process or have specific questions, contact Filing Fox at info@filingfox.com. We're here to support your business journey, helping you build something lasting and strong from day one.